Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a really easy hack on how to recreate this messy bun updo in less than 3 minutes. To start, I'm going to split the hair in half from ear to ear, and then I'm going to pop the top one in a ponytail, but on the last turn of the elastic band I'm only going to pull the ends part way through to create a small loop. Clip the ends on the top of the head and then just repeat the same steps on the bottom of the hair, so pop it into a ponytail and on the last turn only pull it part way through to create a loop. Make sure both of your ends are facing upwards on top of the ponytail. So let the ends of the top ponytail down, and all I'm going to do is use my fingers to split that loop in half, and we're going to pull it out a little bit and we're going to bring the tail ends down through the middle. Now we're just going to loosen up the elastic band and pop our fingers going from the top coming out of the bottom. Grab onto the tail ends and pull them all the way through. So it should look like a little bow. Then we're going to do the same on the bottom loop. So use your fingers to split it in half and spread it out. Then pull that elastic band from the loop out a little bit and pop your fingers through the top. Grab the tail ends and pull them all the way through. Now it's just as simple as placing these loops on the head where you want them and slipping a bobby pin through the centre of the loop so you can't see them. And just do that for the top section. Then repeat the same steps on the bottom, but what I'm going to do is take that little middle loop first and I'm going to just twist it slightly so it sits in a different direction to the one above it. So give it a little quarter turn and then pop that bobby pin through the middle of the loop. Then just do the same with the two loops left, so just position them where you want them and slide a bobby pin through the middle. Once you've got everything pinned in place where you like it, just use your fingers to spread out each one of those loops to create a little bit more volume. Then I'm going to apply some texture spray across the top of the head and pinch and pull the hair to give it a more lived-in look. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.